Fire in the hole, let's stuff a flank steak. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. Got my cast iron pan on a hot fire, and we're going to start this out right with some Sang stir fry oil. You know all about that because we love the garlic flavor of Sangs. Put some of that in there. We're going to make the this is the stuffing for the flank steak. We're going to put some garlic in the pan, some onions, some baby bella mushrooms. Get them sauteed up in that hot pan and that Sang stir fry oil. Smells good already. Some mushrooms, onions, garlic, and then we've got some baby spinach to go in there. So we're going to cover that up with baby spinach because this stuff cooks down a lot. And as it cooks down, I'll be stirring it and getting it ready to stuff the flank steak. So it looks like a lot of spinach, but you'll see it cooks down to almost nothing. So let me get that cooked down, and I'll get my flank steak over here. That's not going to take much time at all. I'll get my flank steak over here and we'll deal with it. So stay tuned. So I've got my flank steak out here, and what I did was I took a sharp knife and I butterflied it like this to make it, you know, a little bit thinner because it's a thick cut of meat. Next thing I'm going to do is take some blue cheese. This is some really good blue cheese that I got. It's got some really dark veins of blue in it. We're going to put that in there like so. Man, there's nothing better than sharp blue cheese. I love it. This Danish blue cheese. Excellent. Okay. So now we're going to get our mixture of onions, mushrooms, and baby spinach and ladle that in there on top of that cheese. Oh, I forgot a step. Look what I did. I forgot the most important thing. Tango spice porchetta rub. We got to put some porchetta rub on there. Tango spice. Best stuff going. Gonna ladle that on there good. There we go. Now we can put our onions and mushrooms and garlic and baby spinach on there. Stuff's still a little warm. I think you want to let that cool down a little before you try to handle it. That's probably why I'm having to do it with tongs. Okay, let me get that on there. Now comes the hard part. I got to roll this up and tie it. So let me get it rolled up if I can. I want to roll that as tight as I can get it into a roll of meat stuffed with nothing but the best stuff around, which is spinach. You know, some of it's going to come out of there, let's face it. So I got that rolled up. Let me get it tied up and I'll put it on the grill and I'll show you what that looks like. So stay tuned. I got my flank steak tied up. I'm going to put him right on the hot fire. I want to get a sear up on him. Get him seared up on all sides, and then I'll move him on to indirect heat and for the cooking process of this. And you know, some of that stuffing's going to come out of there. There's nothing you can do, but that's okay. It's cool. All we want to do right now is get a good sear on him like that. Just want to get some grill marks. Roll them around on that hot fire. A little bit more, just about like that. How's that look? Pretty good, huh? Let me get him moved over a little bit, like that. Like I said, we're just going to get a good sear on him, move him on to indirect heat, and then we'll cook him till we get an internal temperature of about 130 degrees. Then we'll pull him off there and have a taste. So stay tuned. I'm going to move him over here for the rest of the cook. So while we're waiting for our flank steak to cook, here's the Frosty Root Boy mug, and here's today's beer, all the way from Hollywood, Florida, right down the street, right down by the beach. This is Hollywood Brewing Company Mango India Pale Ale. 6.2 alcohol by volume. This is brewed right down by Hollywood Beach, a brand new brewery that just opened up. I'm very happy that I finally have a brewery in my backyard. So let's pour this out, this mango, oh boy, that looks good. Mango IPA from Hollywood Brewing Company. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Can you see that? Wow, 100% pure ingredients. For best results, keep refrigerated. Mango unfiltered, non-pasteurized, no preservatives. Brewed locally near the ocean, sand and seashells, Hollywood, Florida, the Sunshine State. That's pretty cool. I gotta say, it's got a nice, light, lacy head. Look at the head on that. Can you see that? Oh man, that's the best. Hollywood Brewing Company Premium Mango IPA contains real mango. And you can see it in there. Hollywood Brewing Company Mango IPA. That's some good looking stuff. Let's take a sniff of that. Wow. What a beautiful head on that. Look at that light lacy head. Oh man, you can really smell the hops and the mango. It's excellent. Look at that beautiful hazy IPA. Let's quaff the froth off of that roll. What do you think? Wow. I am so impressed. I can't believe that my hometown could come up with a world-class brewing company. I'm so happy. I can't tell you how happy I am. Hollywood Brewing Company. I'm gonna have to drive down there and take a look at this place. I found this at the Fresh Market. They've got a lot of beers from this company. Hollywood Brewing. They're on Facebook. You should check out Hollywood Brewing, because that's where I grew up, in Hollywood. I live in Pembroke Pines now, but I grew up in Hollywood. Anyway, there you go. Hollywood Brewing Mango Pale Ale. Let's check out our flank steak. Stay tuned. My stuffed flank steak is done. I'm going to cut right into the middle of that puppy and let you see what that looks like. So let's just go right into the center of it like this. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that right there. Can you see that? Let me get that turn where you can see it. You see all that beautiful stuff in there? Let's get a taste of that. Don't that look good? Oh baby. Let me cut me off a slice of that. I just need a little piece to taste. I'm not looking to set the world on fire. I just want to get a little bit in my mouth. You know what I'm saying? So look at this piece right here. Oh man. Oh. And that stuffing is good. Mmm. That blue cheese is unbelievable. Mmm. Oh boy. That's some good stuff right there. Let me tell you what. I might have to change the thumbnail to that. Isn't that beautiful? That's my video, babies. Stuffed flank steak on the grill. You know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go see a new channel I just discovered called Grilling with Grove. Go check him out. He's got some good stuff going. He needs subscribers. Look at this stuffing. It's so good. I love it. Mmm. Perfect medium rare on that flank steak. Just a beautiful thing altogether. Nice and juicy and delicious. So anyway, go check out Grilling with Grove. Subscribe to the Root Boy Cooks. Come back next week. I might have a surprise for you. I don't know. We'll see if what I'm planning pans out. I got a surprise for everybody. Give them something away. Maybe, maybe not. You never know. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And this Hollywood Mango is excellent. I'm loving it. Okay, babies. See you next week. Bye.